Step inside the world of Jonathan Reynolds and see his artistry come to life. Every print you see is the result of a meticulous process, one that brings out the depth, detail, and vibrancy of each shot Jonathan captures. Behind the scenes, Jonathan entrusts ArtisanHD with the printing of his dynamic work, safeguarding every detail with precision and care. ArtisanHD's state-of-the-art facility in Scottsdale, Arizona, brings his images from digital capture to stunning reality. When you purchase a Jonathan Reynolds print, you're bringing home a captivating piece of art, meticulously crafted to perfection. It's more than a stunning image. It's a carefully produced, gallery-quality masterpiece that adds beauty and inspiration to your space. ArtisanHD's print specialists handle each piece with care, and with their G7 certification, ensure that the colors stay true to Jonathan's vision in every print. Every print is carefully inspected, then packaged with the highest attention to detail, arriving ready to hang and enjoy. Jonathan Reynolds and ArtisanHD take pride in creating prints that not only showcase his art beautifully, but also bring his passion for photography into your space. Bring a piece of Jonathan's passion and vision into your own space.